Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Have you ever encountered such a situation when you pick up your phone and want to reply to a message, you find that the screen is infinitely enlarged and you can't see other content clearly at all, and even unlocking it becomes difficult? Don't worry, this is actually the zoom function of the iPhone. Today, I will teach you 4 ways to quickly solve this annoying problem. The last method is more suitable for those users who are completely stuck. Method 1. Use gestures to release zoom mode. First, we can try to use gestures to temporarily turn off the zoom function. Just tap the screen twice with 3 fingers. Note that the action should be brisk. If you tap too slowly, it may not work. In this way, the screen will return to its normal size. This method is very suitable for emergency use. Method 2. Disable the zoom function through settings. If you don't want to accidentally trigger the zoom function again, you can completely disable it in the settings. First, open Settings. Click Accessibility option. Find the zoom option and click it. Turn off the switch for the zoom function. That's it. Even if you accidentally touch the screen again, you won't accidentally turn on the zoom feature. If your iPhone is completely stuck, the zoom feature cannot be turned off, or the gestures and settings don't work, there may be a deep system problem. Try using Tenorshare ReiBoot. Method 3. Use Tenorshare ReiBoot to fix system problems. First, download and install Tenorshare ReiBoot, link in the video description below. Then connect your iPhone to the computer and put the iPhone into recovery mode. Just press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Connect to iTunes or computer logo appear on the screen. After entering recovery mode, open ReiBoot and click the Start Repair button. Select the Standard Repair option, which can fix most iOS system problems without losing data. According to the software prompts, download the corresponding firmware. The download takes about 10 minutes, and the download speed depends on your network speed. After the firmware is downloaded, click Start Standard Repair. The software starts to help you fix the system problem. After a few minutes, the iPhone system problem will be solved, and the zoom mode will be released. Just a few simple steps, and you don't even have to worry about data loss. It is especially suitable for novices. Method 4. Use iTunes to restore the zoom state. Finally, you can also use iTunes to restore the zoom state. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a data cable. Then open iTunes and select your device. Scroll down to find and click on Configure Accessibility. Uncheck the box for Use Zoom. Just like that, your zoom function can be turned off. It is very convenient. These are the 4 solutions on how to turn off the iPhone zoom mode. Whether you have a simple problem or a system-level failure, they can help you solve it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share it with more friends who are troubled by the zoom function. See you next time.